That's lazy.
What's going on, guys? Today we are doing a new installing Vland headlights. We're gonna take off the bumper and so that way we can install this headlight. I got both of them on. However, I was having issues with the wiring. The high beams is the one with 2 wires, a single wire running through it. That'll be your low beam. This is your turn signal. This is the DRL. Check that out, bro. That's sick as fuck. All you need to do is put everything back together and make sure on the old headlights, y'all guys reuse this bracket, put it on the bottom of this, and y'all guys are ready to go. All right, guys, so it's the next day, and check this out, bruh. Isn't that sick? They're sequential, so they go whoop. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time and next one.